Hi, I'm Thomas from Team Discovery. In this video, I'll present about the tools we use throughout our hazard removing robot project. These are the contents I will be going through today. I will explain about the tools used and how are they used in our project. For this project, we used Eclipse IDE for Java developers as our development tool. It is one of the popular IDE for Java development. We use that for both our GMCS programming, which is the GUI monitoring and controlling system, and our K9 robot programming. Legos EV3 plugin is also available to directly communicate with the robot using the control center. Eclipse also allows us to debug the errors and navigate to the errors really fast. Also, multiple files can be viewed and managed at the same time. It also allows us to download all the required packages at ease. We used Apache Subversion, which is a SVN, as our version control tool. It is an open source version control system. It is used to maintain current and historical versions of files. Once the files are modified, the new versions of the files will be committed to the SVN repository with meaningful comments. Shown here is our team's SVN directory structure. All the files are committed to their respective folders. The SVN will record changes to the files or set of files over time. It helps us to recall specific versions later. All documents and source codes are located in Team's SVN repository called Discovery. In our project, we use Apache and as our software build tool. Software building is a process of converting source codes and associated files into a standalone file that can be run on a computer. Apache and helps us to automate software build process. As mentioned, its main usage is to build Java applications. Apache and help us to compile, assemble, test, and run Java applications. We use JUnit as our unit testing tool. It is a unit testing framework for Java programming language. Unit testing is a process of testing individual components and ensuring that each unit performs as designed. JUnit uses annotations to identify methods that specify a test, and also it is a simple framework to write repeatable tests. Next is the communication tools. There are two tools which we use throughout this project. First one is Slack. Slack is an instant messaging and collaboration application. It made our team's communication effective. Using this, the team members can discuss on a particular topic by creating a separate channel. As we can see from the picture, we have separate channels like general, link sharing, meeting availability, reminders, etc. Slack also allows us to share all type of files. Another noticeable feature is its robust file search functionality. The second communication tool is the Skype. Skype is a messaging platform which provides online text messages and video chat services along with the video conference call service. It helps us a lot in conducting the client meeting as well as the team meetings. Next is the project management tools. There are two tools we use for project management purpose. First one is the Smartsheet. As the project manager, it helped me in creating the Gantt charts and keep track of all the tasks. By making use of this, our team managed to finish most of the tasks within the time allocated. It also helped us to submit the deliverables without missing the deadlines. Next project management tool is the Trello. Trello is a web-based project management application. As you can see from the picture, it uses a Kanban paradigm for managing the project. By making use of the boards and cards, it is easy to keep track of the task, and also it makes the collaboration easy. Next is the latest editing tools. We use two tools for this purpose. First one is the Overleaf. Overleaf is a collaborative writing and publishing tool. It has a real-time preview of the document and it makes the process of writing, editing, and publishing the documents easier. Next is the Text Studio. It is an integrated writing environment for creating LaTeX documents. We use this tool as our secondary LaTeX editing tool since Overleaf is an online application and can be affected by the network performance. It has features like syntax highlighting, integrated viewer, spell checker, grammar checker, etc. It also allows us to create PDF files in ease. For designing, we use two main tools. First one is the Balsamiq Mockups 3. It is a graphical user interface mockup builder application. We use this for designing our GMCS, which is the GUI monitoring and controlling system. We can easily design the user interface using the drag and drop function. Second design tool is the Creately. Creately is a collaborative diagramming and design software. We use that for creating the software component diagram, software architectural diagram, process model, sequence diagrams, etc. By making use of this tool, it is easy to draw the diagrams using the drag and drop function. For online file storage, we use Google Drive, which is a file storage platform. It allows users to store, synchronize, and share files. We use the Google Drive as a backup storage to store the important files and to share them between the team members. Next is the video production tools. There are two tools we use for this purpose. First is a Camtasia 3. Camtasia 3 is a screen recording and video editing software. Using this tool, it is easy to integrate the screen recording, robot videos, and the audio files. We mainly use Camtasia for the milestone video production. Next is a Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a screen recorder platform for instant screen recording and sharing. The user interface is simple and it is really easy to use. We use this tool mainly for individual video presentations. All these tools help our team in efficiently developing the software and delivering them to our valuable client before the deadlines. Thank you for watching this video.